Before tractors, before fertilizers, guys, even before TikTok dance challenge, our Igbo ancestors had the way they planted their food and how they partied hard. In this video, we're going to be looking at how our ancestors, yes, our Igbo ancestors planted their food, stored their food, and how they celebrated in grand style. Farming in Igbo land is not just an activity. Mba, no, it is life. Where the men, the actual gym bros. Yes, so our ancestors had gym bros during their time. But however, what these gym bros were doing was like they were cultivating the land, they were uprooting giant trees. What about the ladies? They were not left behind though. These ladies were weeding the land, they were planting cassava, cocoyam, they were also harvesting. If farming during the ancient days was a football match, the men will be the defenders. Why the women? They'll be the star strikers. They'll be scoring all the goals because they are doing the main work. What about the tools? They had simple but effective tools. They didn't have tractors, oh. They did not have fertilizers, oh. They only had hoes. They had machetes. They had digging sticks. And these hoes, they were so efficient and they were so useful. Their crops, they had the star crop, the odogu of all crops, which is yam. They also have akidi. They had maize, cassava, ede, and the rest of it. These crops they planted to eat and make merry. Yes, when it was time to eat and party, there is nothing that speaks loud, that speaks party time loud than the Iri Ji Festival. The festival where every first harvest, before anyone touches it, sacrifices it to the gods and ancestors. Why? Because of the good harvest. Now, after the gods must have eaten, that's spiritually though, people now begins to party. They roasted the yam, they cooked the yam with plenty fish, with plenty meat. We are not going to leave dancing, oh ha! They were dancing with plenty palm meal, like fresh palm wine and plenty gist. Now after the harvest, it's time to store the food. Now they had cribs. These cribs are elevated bamboos and palm tree structures that they use to keep their maize safe and dry. What about the yam barns that preserved yams for months, even years? What about the udu, clay pot, the OG refrigerator? Guys, it is naturally cool, insect proof, eco-friendly. Guys, the fridge of today can never. There you have it. Our ancestors, they planted with sweat, they stored with wisdom, and they celebrated like champions. So when next you are enjoying a bowl of yam porridge, just know that you're not just eating yam, you are eating history. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and be a part of this family. This is Learn Igbo with Naza. Ngwanu. Bye.